Show Christy how you clean that table. Show Christy how you clean the table. Good boy. Oh, he's working hard. He's a clever lad. Say hiya. Sean. Oh, we're too interested in cleaning. Oh, really? Is it mucky, that table? Is it mucky? What are you looking at, big lad? Oh! Have slippy sleep suits. Are you finished with that now? Are you finished with that cloth? Okay. You trying to get up again? Good. Oh, good boy. Clever lad. Are you looking outside? Who is it? Who's there? Can you see any woo-woos? Woo-woo? So you can't climb up anymore, big boy. Where are they? Okay, say bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, big boy. Say bye-bye. Go on. Say bye-bye. Oh, too interested in them wow-wows, aren't you? Okay, bye-bye.